Hello everyone. It's almost time for the sun to set, as you can see. And I'm by the largest pond in Brockwell Park. And look what happened to it. Now, I'm not sure how it's gonna show on the video, but the pond is frozen. Well, partially, but most of it is frozen. The swans and the other water birds are on the other edge. I'm gonna go there because I brought some food for them. Temperatures in London have dropped to -3 and below the last few days, so this is what happened. Actually, it's the first time I see this pond frozen. Interesting. Let's go see the swans. Just want to see, look at the air bubbles under the ice, and as you can see, it's also quite thick, because look, whoever threw a pebble there, it didn't manage to break the ice. And it didn't melt all day long, so it's cold. Okay, I got to the edge of the ice. Right, guys. Okay, it's just the original swan pair left. I call them Bob and Barbara. I filmed lots of nice videos about them and their babies a couple of years ago. This year, the ones that they had, I only got to see them as almost grown-ups. And what happens is that when they are almost fully grown, the male will chase them away, or the park people come and move them to another pond. Can you see the heron there, perched in the tree and looking very, very cold? Okay, I'm gonna try and get the food out and feed them. Hello. Do you think I have food? You're right. How can I do this? There we go. This is special swan and duck food I bought for them. I do it from time to time. I bought a really large canister or whatever you call it this time, because there's loads of them. Look, all the duckies have come. Okay, let's try and give you some more. There. Oh, my little hungry ones. Come on, Bob. There he is. He always waits for Barbara to have enough, and the kids usually. You're a good daddy, aren't you? Okay. There. Don't fight. Come on, Bob. You have some as well. Come on, before it's all finished. I only have a little bit left. Okay. Gonna try and put it on the other side. Bob, come here. That's it. There's no more. Oh, guys, you're hungry. Well, that got all gobbled up really fast. I had a whole bag full. Yeah, you're gorgeous, Barbara. You've been a good mama again this year, haven't you? They're amazing. I'm gonna try, if I'm around next year, I'm gonna try and follow them again, as they will have a new family. And the pond is so frozen. Look at that. There's lots of different types of ducks, as I'm sure you've spotted. Tufted ones, mallard ones, and oh, there's a coot as well. And the heron is all alone. There's a few in this area. Okay, guys, stay warm if you can somehow. Alright, see you another time.